How to turn off memories flashback on Snapchat. So if you don't want your memories flashback on Snapchat, then do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn the quick and easy method to turn off those memory flashbacks on Snapchat. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Snapchat is up to date. You can easily update from Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now let's proceed towards launching the Snapchat app and open it. Once you open the app, you will get access to this camera section. Now select the profile icon or the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now on this profile feed, you have to select the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you reach on the settings page, you have to scroll down, and when you scroll, you have to locate memories option. Tap on the memories option and you need to on-tick mark the smart backup. Once you have done that, your memories flashback will be turned off on Snapchat. You can also select the save destinations. You can easily tap on the save button and then choose camera roll only. So when you tap on the save buttons while editing a snap, snaps will be saved to the camera roll only, not to memories or memories and camera roll. So that's how we easily turn off memories flashback on Snapchat. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.